Let's learn to read the words that begin with letter F. The sound is fire, fire. Fox, fox. Fat, fat. Children, please read again. Good job. Fly, fly. Fence, fence. Fit, fit. Please read again, children. That's great. Fig, fig. Four, four. Farmer, farmer. Please read again. Good job. Fan, fan. Fan, fan. Farm, farm. Please read again. That's great. Food, food. Flag, flag. Flower, flower. Please read again. Good job. Finger, finger. Fast, fast. Feed, feed. Please read again, children. Good job. Five, five. Friend, friend. Fireman, fireman. Please read again, children. Good job. Fruits, fruits. Fork, fork. Football, football. Please read again. That's great. Good job, children.